But the first thing that they pick up is the need now to consider using AI for forecasting staff capacity. And this is something that I've already this year had a number of conversations with accountancy firms on, is what tools are best out there to use capacity forecasting. Like, we want to maximize the use of our staff. We want to invest in tech to do that, so that we've not really got down points where we've got no work, and we definitely don't want where our team's overrun. Let's try and spread that out, make sure we're hiring at the right time. And the main thing that WorkflowMax talk about in this is that AI-driven capacity forecasting is now becoming critical. It's a really good way of utilizing AI, but the only way you can do that is by standardizing a lot of the structure inside your project management system so that AI can work effectively. But I guess the first point is, what is it doing? Like, what's the point of it? And essentially, it's looking at the data that's in there to go, how busy is each individual team member? Where are there clashes or bottlenecks based on the skill sets? So you need skill tagging to some extent inside the system. Where would certain projects need additional support based on leave, etc., or where something started to overrun? And therefore, where's it kind of building confidence and accuracy and alerts to enable you to have really good and effective conversations from a project management perspective with your clients? So it could be something where, and we've talked about this before with accounting firms, where pricing is too generic. If something comes in last minute, you're still charging the same as something where a client has been really planned and giving it to you early and allowed you the time to work on it. Well, actually, we should be being smarter with this and charging more for those that are creating, I guess, this pinch point, this frustration, this challenge. And not necessarily if it's a one-off, like we can have that as a consideration, but if they're doing that regularly, because they're creating more burden, they're creating more challenge for your team, they're creating more frustration. But I guess what are WorkflowMax saying here? Firstly, it's that you need to be able to standardize a lot of this inside the system. So you need good structure, you need understanding of budgets, skill sets, team allocations, and projects that are clearly defined in how they're going to roll out. And then when you've done that, you can use AI to predict how that's going to roll across, or where the task should be done, or the job's being completed throughout a given period of time. And if there is a challenge regarding skill sets, it can flag that. Now, some project management systems that I have looked into over the last 3 to 4 months have started to build this out. From what I can tell, WorkflowMax haven't yet, but it is on their roadmap. They are looking at capacity planning. They are looking at AI. So I think that this article is all about prepping you, going, this is critical, this is important, which I 100% agree on, because they know they're going to be releasing something like this in the coming weeks and months. So really good article, something definitely that if you are doing anything regarding people management, you should be considering, how can we utilize AI to forecast our capacity planning effectively?